My name is Alana McDonald and I am a nursing major. When I first was looking into colleges, I had no idea where I wanted to go. I knew I wanted a nursing program, but I had no idea what college was going to be perfect fit for me. I did a lot of different college tours and I really didn't see anything that sparked my interest to be there. I was also looking in an aspect of athletics too. My mom came with me. She was like, let's just look and see how it is. I know it's 3 hours from home, but it's worth a try just to see. I was able to see the rink, see the girls. It was actually a great atmosphere. And then I also was able to go explore the nursing program, see the different things that they offer, and to see how the program would help me succeed. The professors are really great. They were able to explain everything that I needed to do to be able to apply to the nursing program. I was able to see the different labs that really teach you and help you to grow your critical skills and critical thinking. My whole family has a background of the medical field. My mom is a nurse practitioner. My dad's an anesthesiologist. My brother's a cath lab nurse. They're all within healthcare. I have grown up with a learning disability that was something that I was diagnosed when I was in first grade. It's called dyslexia. I've grown from that challenge. I embrace that I have this disability, and I really hope that these challenges are able to help me succeed in my career path. My brothers grew up playing hockey. Hockey was in our blood to play. I actually started skating when I was 2. And then I kind of transitioned to playing hockey, but I also did figure skating at the time. I started lacrosse when I was in first grade, so I have been playing for a while, but I had never really considered going to college and looking at a lacrosse team. I really had never thought my skill level was developed quite like other players. I think both of them have transitioned to the person I am today, and I don't think if I didn't play them, I would be a totally different human.
From Potsdam, New York, number 9, Alana McDonald.
Without being organized, without showing the dedication that you have to push yourself in academics, that it just shows and transfers over to my athletic career. The degree that I chose and the sports that I chose are not easy to come into. I just can't imagine if I chose somewhere else, because I really think that my athletics and my academic career has really succeeded here.